The next definition that you need to study in your as per your syllabus is by Lionel Robbins, the famous economist. He defined economics as a science that studies human behavior as a relationship between ends and scarce means which have alternative uses. Now, so many things have been used to define the subject economics. Means economics deals with what? So, to clarify them, we need to know the features of the definition, just very basic idea that what he wanted to say. When he talked about human behavior as a relationship between ends and scarce means. Scarce means ends is human wants. Human want to satisfy their wants which are unlimited. Unlimited wants. Unlimited wants, if you consider the entire set of population in the entire economy, not only the Indian part but the entire economy of the globe, there are unlimited wants, human wants. But to satisfy those human wants, you don't have unlimited resources. Unlimited wants, unlimited resources, no. So there are limited resources. There are limited resources which we call scarce. Scarce means limited. So limited means limited resources. We mean the limited resources. And these resources have alternative uses. You talk about fuel, petrol, diesel. They can be used for so many purposes. It's a resource. You talk about human labor. They can be used in for different purposes. Labor can be used for different purposes. So labor is a resource which is used. So have different alternative uses. Now human behavior, now people have to then the problem comes up. The subject studies about those problems because there is a contradiction. Contradiction is unlimited wants but limited resources. So the problem of satisfying those wants, the priority, which one to be satisfied and which one cannot be satisfied. So there comes a problem of choice. We have to choose, the economy has to choose what to produce on priority basis. So these are the features that Lionel Robbins tried to mention, tried to highlight in his definition of the subject economics. Please take a note of it. The features you need to know very in a nutshell, only the captions. You don't have to go for descriptive explanations, but the definition as given by Lionel Robbins needs to be learned very carefully, very minutely, exactly the way he has given. Please note it down.